On September 28, 2018, Air Niugini Flight 73 was a Boeing 737 with 35 passengers and 12 crew members on board. It was attempting to land at Chuuk International Airport in Papua New Guinea, but instead of landing on the runway, it landed in the lagoon. Of the 47 people on board, 46 people survived, but one person died. The investigation afterwards concluded that the cause of Flight 73's water landing is ditched short of the runway due to pilot error and loss of situational awareness. Rest in peace to that one passenger. Goodbye.